Dive into our top 5 kayak fish finder review, where we blend thorough research and personal insights. We dissect features, performance, and user-friendliness, guiding your choice. Check the product links in the description to find your ideal fishing companion. Top 5 Best Kayak Fish Finders. Number 5. Say hello to hassle-free angling with the lowrance Hook 24X Fish Finder. Its auto-tuning sonar and intuitive menus, akin to your phone, let you focus on fishing rather than fiddling with settings. Experience double the sonar coverage compared to standard finders, thanks to the wide-angle sonar cone. Setting up is a breeze. Install the single transducer on your transom, hull, trolling motor, or via a scupper hole. And the icing on the cake? The bullet skimmer transducer that comes along offers traditional 2D sonar views, capturing fish arches like a pro. Elevate your fishing game with the Hook 24X. Number 4. Meet the Humminbird HELIX 5, a game-changer. Its 5 inches widescreen boasts Chirp digital sonar, GPS mapping, AutoChart Live, and Humminbird basemap. The Switchfire sonar allows customizing sonar returns, while Dual Beam Plus sonar identifies fish, structure, and contours. Navigate confidently with built-in Humminbird basemap, including charts for 10,000-plus lakes and U.S. coastal coverage. Elevate your underwater exploration with HELIX 5. Number 3. Elevate your angling prowess with the deeper PRO Smart Sonar. Casting up to 330 feet and scanning down to 260 feet, it offers 0.5 inches target precision. Seamlessly sync with iOS and Android devices through its built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring solid connectivity sans cellular data. The built-in GPS empowers you to create bathymetric maps from various watercraft. Real-time data with dual beam frequencies and 15 scans per second reveal depth, structure, vegetation, and fish. A perfect addition to your boat or kayak accessories, this finder installs effortlessly, with no cables or drilling. With its rechargeable battery and micro USB B-type cable, angling adventures know no bounds. Number 2. Introducing the game-changer, Garmin ECHOMAP UHD 93 SV. Its sunlit 9 inches touchscreen with keyed assist offers a seamless experience. With the GT54 transducer in tow, relish ultra-high-definition clarity and side-view scanning prowess. Benefit from high-wide Chirp traditional sonar, while Lakeview G3 inland maps with Navionics data cover 17,000-plus lakes. Dive deeper with Panoptic's all-seeing sonar, including live scope sonar. Share sonar insights across ECHOMAP units, and explore the underwater world like never before. Are you ready to unlock a new realm of angling excellence? Number 1. Looking to revolutionize your fishing game? The Garmin Striker 4 is your ultimate underwater ally. Its clear-view scanning sonar delves into aquatic mysteries, painting near-photographic images of structures, objects, and elusive fish. Boasting a user-friendly interface with dedicated buttons, this powerhouse is a breeze to install and navigate. With display sizes ranging from 3.5 to 7 inches, and an impressive water rating of IPX7, it's prepared for any aquatic adventure. Seamlessly explore waypoints, mark key spots, and navigate to prime locations with the Waypoint Map feature. Reach depths of 1,600 feet in freshwater and 750 feet in saltwater, with Chirp sonar providing precise fish tracking. And let's not forget the built-in flasher, ideal for vertical jigging and ice fishing. Elevate your angling prowess with the Garmin Striker 4.